Now, keeping your operating costs low, it's key to any successful business. And the next-gen small loaders, they're a great partner in that because we've baked in features as standard to help get those operating costs down. Starting with the service intervals on these machines. They're gonna go from what was a 500-hour service interval all the way to 1,000-hour service. And that includes the engine oil, the air filters, the fuel filters are all gonna double, substantially reducing your cost. It's a 45% reduction in the amount of fluids and the amount of filters that you've got to put on this machine to keep it up and running. Now that's going to be complemented with features to help us with those three highest operating costs: fuel, tires, and cutting edges. Now on the fuel side, auto engine speed is going to be the standard default. It's going to adapt to the operator's inputs and burn less fuel by keeping engine RPM down when it can or giving you performance when you need it. To help with our tire wear, auto wheel torque, standard feature. We're going to adjust the amount of torque that we're sending to the tires through our high-stat drive system to match the underfoot conditions. So we'll dial back the torque when we need to, or we'll dial it up so you get max push without burning the rubber off of this machine. Now, on the cutting edge side of it, standard equipment, we will have programmable kickouts, which work in concert with the joystick and stroke detents to give you a snubbing characteristic, which can catch the bucket, can catch the attachment before it kisses the ground. So our coaching, set those kickouts a few inches above ground, let it come down, catch itself, hover above, and at that last minute, dive it in and get that material out of the pile. Don't prematurely scrub those cutting edges. Now to complement that, keeping the hydraulics clean, we're gonna have a full return flow filter on these machines as standard. So if you ever had any contaminants get into your hydraulics, maybe a dirty quick coupling, we're gonna filter that out, making this machine an absolute lowest owning operating cost machine and a great partner to your business.